This potato noodle recipe will change your life and it only takes 5 ingredients. First, we're gonna need 6 potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes, but you could actually use any type of potatoes that you have. You wanna peel off the skin of the potato. This will help with the smoothness of the texture. Now we wanna roughly chop our potatoes. They don't have to be perfect. We just wanna make the boiling process a little bit quicker. Now we're just gonna boil our potatoes until they're super soft and fork tender. It's also good to open up the pores, clean out your skin. It's nice. Now we're just gonna place these potatoes into a bowl and we wanna start mashing it until it's super smooth. After we're done mashing it, we're just gonna go ahead and add in some salt. You want a salt to taste. Then we wanna add in about 3 cups of potato starch. If you don't have potato starch, you can totally use cornstarch. And finally, we're gonna add in about half a cup of water. Now we just wanna mix everything together until it becomes super soft and you get a dough-like consistency. This is exactly the consistency I'm going for. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button. Once everything is mixed together, we're gonna take about a tablespoon of our potato and start rolling it into a ball. Then we wanna gently press it down to make it flat and get a glass bottle and we're gonna press it into the potato to create its shape. The reason we're going for this type of shape is because flavors get stuck within the groove and just make it so delicious and like a flavor bomb in your mouth. All right, now we're ready to boil these for about 2 minutes. These are looking amazing. Once they start floating, you know they're ready. Just like any other noodle, we're gonna drain the water. Place this into a bowl. And now we're gonna be adding the flavors to this to bring it to life. First thing I'm gonna add is 3 tablespoons of this Korean chili powder, but if you don't have this, you can use red pepper flakes. About 12 tablespoons of soy sauce, and about 9 tablespoons of hot oil. You can use any type of oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, but I'm using avocado oil. Now we're just gonna mix everything together. You can also add more flavors to this like black pepper, garlic powder. This is just a basic version for you to get creative and come up with your own version. As you guys can see, the flavor inside the groove is trapped and that is exactly why we go for this shape. Now as an optional step, I'm gonna garnish it with some green onions. And there you have it, some delicious potato noodles. Now let's see what it tastes like. Bon appetit. So chewy, so soft, amazing flavors. This simple dish is absolutely life-changing. God, so good. If you guys like easy and simple recipes, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.